Blizzard.
Blizzard, wow.
The defending first.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay, they have a Zarya main, but I guess the good news is that they don't really have a... They don't have a Hanzo main.
Well, any Tom, Dick and Harry can Hanzo lah.
Eh,
It's true, you just wait for your E and then E.
So how should we do this?
Ken is Ken.
Zen, Moira, Ju.
oh, you're on Mercy. I can go Farah.
Go for more defensive style.
Kaji, I mean, if you want, you can just go Farah anyway.
Actually, play your damn fucked up line for Brigade.
Not really
Oh.
feeling it.
We don't hurt, I'm not
The meaning is then fucked up. It's like some... It's like some
What the fuck is
supposed to be
saying?
some proverb.
Get in there.
That's why I died before, right? Because this
Count
stupid thing...
set.
This stupid right is blocking me.
Yeah,
Right, like guys, just win this!
when they will come on the right side, we drop down.
Yeah, they're coming on the right side. Junglet, Ryan, Moira.
No, they're
Nice
not coming on the right
pick.
side. They're coming through main. They're coming through main, not right side.
Doom guy
Doom
on the
guy
left.
on the left.
Is it? On the left, I'm waiting for the stun.
Yes.
Okay, I'm waiting for the
Okay,
stun.
it's okay. The rest of us stay. The rest of us stay
They're
there.
coming,
Okay, he's coming, going left. Are we
Let's go
fighting them
left,
here?
ready?
Junkrat.
Let's push in. Let's push in. Let's push in.
Ryan is one, he pinned me. Oh fuck, he pinned me.
Bind.
Look at me.
Yeah. So, ooh. I dropped.
Let's see Jun. Oh,
Nice.
ping lah. Okay, so only Brigator died, right? Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, good hold. Good
Pin, I
hold.
got pin.
See, they have a Zarya. Dude, they're gonna do the Zarya.
Left strike.
Doomfist. Zarya Doomfist.
There's no way I can.
Actually, in that case, Lucio is better lah. But never mind.
La, my face, one.
You can still save the tanks. You can still save the tanks. Oh, who's that in the sky?
One flew.
Oh my god, Dark Psycho.
Armoring you up.
Yeah, great, nice.
Nice.
Sorry,
Are
one.
we dropping? Are we dropping?
Okay, drop.
Okay, drop.
Let's
Ready,
go.
ready, and drop. I'm going for the Moira.
Got it, right?
What the fuck?
Brigitte.
Doomfist behind. Ah! Where is all?
Oh shit, I got. I dropped.
Hey, remember? Don't. Oh, you got punched there, is it? Hey,
You're
can you
far
back?
now?
There's a Doomfist behind. There's a Doomfist
I
behind.
dropped by accident.
Let's see.
Let's see.
This one.
Where the fuck is he? There's a
on the
Farah,
left,
Farah,
on the
up, Farah,
left.
up, high.
Get in
I
there.
wasted my fit. I have no more heals.
Right side,
Oh shit.
Right side, Zarya.
Farah one.
Armoring you up.
Oh no, Johan, come back.
Are we pushing up?
I'll take care of this.
Sorry. Oh, you ate it.
Oh, it's a
I'm gonna
player.
start,
It's a
I'm-
player.
Fucking bitch. Holy shit.
Oh my god! Papa. Hey, John.
Okay, they hammer down everything. They use
No, there's
everything.
a big sound. There's a big sound. It's just that I didn't hear it
I didn't hear it either.
because I was looking at Ijun. Okay, never mind. Anyway,
Are we going?
I don't think so.
I don't think we can.
We should saw them.
Fuck man, don't fit ulti. What the fuck?
No, because the trio. Oh yeah. None of you heard it.
No, I didn't hear it also.
Not you. You weren't even there.
Okay, this engagement, I'm gonna rally.
He saw the red thing, then I.
You should go high ground,
Yeah.
guys. We go high ground.
The Doomfist is trying to.
Alright, guys, let's go high ground.
Okay.
I'm under fire.
Scary, yeah.
My shield.
Hey, can you high ground together? The cycle don't
Yep.
fight alone.
Giving you a
Where's the doom?
The
Okay,
Farah on the
okay.
right side, Farah Doomfist on the right side.
You gotta don't face one. Nice. Okay, let's push them. Push them 5v6. Push them on the point.
Okay,
Push them
let's
on the
go,
point.
let's go. I'm going for the Moira.
Run. Nice charge.
Mora no fade. Mora no fade. On me. On the left side. Mora left side, no fade.
You might want to keep your distance.
Okay, let's push out. Hey, oh, no.
He said right down.
Yeah, because I wanted to go back to the high ground anyway.
Mara is still behind.
Farah up, up above. Okay, up.
High ground.
I thought. Ju, you might have to transfer. You might have to pop 2 outs for Farah
Right
barrage.
above you.
There'll be a barrage grab. Try not to stand. Actually, you have to start saving your thing. Meteor strike! Look out for the zoom! It's coming for me.
Are you in?
Oh, behind! Fuck lah.
Shit. Oh, you're already down.
Hey, Jill! Oh. Anyway.
All
Keep
part of
thanks
the
a lot.
learning process.
I'm coming back. This point is reasonably close.
Hang line move back, please.
Yeah, hey, you want to move back a bit? Okay.
Do this one.
Far one.
Hey, why didn't y'all move back? Because I was looking at the death cam. Y'all just stood there when Jill was trancing. Y'all need to back off, even if the trance. Just remember back off.
Back off already.
Jill, you might need to change lah.
Yeah, maybe a speed boost might help.
Farah on the left!
Let me change it now.
Giving you a little
Farah is one. Oi. He's gonna meter strike.
No way I can.
Dead.
Might as well just speed boost your back.
Oh my god.
We need to push forward into them lah. We're just backing. No, back.
Yeah, we
all
can push
all
into
stay
them.
in pawn. All stay inside. Stay inside.
Problem is half the team is disturbed by the Doomfist and the Farah.
get in there.
We should be winning other fights.
Just left.
So they have very little hits. Oh,
Oh, wait, the right
Hey.
line.
hey, why they all? Dude, we were not ready to go out. What?
Just get inside.
Okay, hey guys, next time stay in spawn.
Nah, I wanted to go out there because the others will be stuck.
Dude, but the rest of them are not ready. We were still waiting
Yeah,
for people
I
to
didn't
go
know
out.
that. But I thought I waited long enough for
Yeah,
the
the
team.
Shiva, right? We have the Shiva. That's about it.
Dude, because we waited there like 3 or 4 seconds, then like
Yeah, but that's because people are not spawned yet.
I think it was about spawn already.
I was on my way out.
Yeah, but we still need to wait. Like just now, Jankata, how many times did we get staggered? Basically, the entire overtime was we got staggered.
but then we get right at the choke there. There's a fucking small entrance.
Which is why we have the Lucio lah.
I didn't feel that Lucio did anything that game, man. It's like
I mean, in the first place, Jill only changed it at the last part, but by the last part, we were really getting staggered one by one. Oh no, we got the graph. That was the one.
Your shield.
We were just. I don't think we can. There's anything we can do to their combo.
Reinhardt,
Lucio?
what should I focus on today?
I mean, I don't think I have enough time to out for. Okay, let's say he does the meteor strike with the grab, right?
Yeah.
If it's only meteor strike, I still can.
So you just gotta take your chances if not, there's quite literally nothing else that can save us.
Of course. How else
So
would
yeah,
I
so
bail
you
out
still have to
if you're
try
in
it.
trouble?
I think this is the best bet, yeah. But if they combo with grab, it's not trigger happy and he makes one.
right, go right.
Okay, maybe I should go earlier. Yeah, I need to practice the timing.
Just go to the right, go high ground first, take the high ground first.
Giving you a
Don't get stuck behind, Okay, they're coming, they're here. Go face
So bits left,
Sorry,
I'm gonna push the Ryan off.
go in. Just go out here.
Wait, don't drop from the high ground.
Don't drop first.
Don't be behind.
I accidentally drop.
Yeah, I'll back off. Let's restart. Let's redo this.
What the fuck?
Okay, what happens is that they're gonna flank around from behind. So we turn around and face the people who are flanking us first. All come back, don't die. Please
Get the
don't feed
bottom
up.
for the Doomfist. That's your job.
Yeah.
Ikachi, you probably need to play somebody who can brawl with us. Because if we're going into the place. Okay, let's go to the right. Kaji will be out.
Doomfist is there though.
Get a Doomfist!
I got booked from something, I don't know.
In the room. Oh shit. We just tried.
He missed.
He's dead.
I'm under fire.
The rest.
More back to the front.
Mine dead.
Jump right Mercy at the back.
It's even fight. Try. Coming back also.
That wasn't the plan.
Oh,
Mercy one.
Ooh, fuck this guy.
oh now
I need some help lah. Fuck, I thought we were moving up already.
Move back. It's not winnable.
Enemy some armor.
They just rest.
Shield holding.
Oh, but it's okay. You cannot win the fight already.
Giving you a little.
Doomfist on the top right.
Yeah, who else is dead?
We're down one.
I'm coming.
Okay,
Okay,
now we
Doomfist high ground.
Jump right high ground.
I have to pressure more.
Okay, let's go right first.
Oh, okay, Doomfist.
He's out.
No.
Knee meter strike.
Tire. Tire grab. I'm dead.
Fire at will.
Fights. Two more fights.
No place to go but up. Du mår bättre snart.
Alright, ready?
Viva.
Johan's coming out now. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Håll lite skydd.
Are we going right again?
No, I cannot hear you, Bing.
We cannot hear you. You are mute. Wait.
Just die.
Wow, okay, what's happening? Why is it?
No, because everyone died to the Doomfist. That's it. Just reset lah.
They're just raising on.
Last fight.
30 seconds remaining.
Okay, we got one fight. We gotta do this.
Or just use the Blizzard chat.
Just come back.
Just use the chat for now.
Guys, we need to get on the point.
Let's go.
Giving you a little extra.
We rush mid.
Okay, rush mid, go. Do you have shadow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Point, get on point.
I will point. Clear it out.
We're on point. Right, yo.
Back to the drawing board.
I'm on fire.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Junker is high ground.
Let me patch that up.
Okay, Doomfist Mercy high ground.
Hey, use in-game chat, can you hear?
Yeah.
You are out of the spot.
Put the open mic, Bing. Easier.
Doomfist left. Top left.
Let's go upstairs, clear the Doomfist first.
We're gonna join for the Mercy.
Drop. Fuck me.
Giving you a little.
Okay, never mind, I'll back up.
Dein Schutzengel ist da. Practice makes perfect. Not to mention some bumps and bruises.
Maybe we should just do crash. Junkrat
Right
around!
side. I'm stuck.
Junkrat run!
Fine.
Best offense.
Look behind. This is it.
Oh, fuck. Dude, the Doomfist is wrecking our backline.
How much we can do?
The Mercy and Moira are dead though.
Right counters, yeah. Actually, it's not really a counter, I can think of. Only Zarya can, I think.
This might need a few adjustments.
You ready?
Yeah,
Use team chat to call out.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, can we go?
My shield's up.
Hey, Lucio push through out there, Lucio push through
Jump right
out
above.
there. Go straight,
Oi,
go
start
straight.
from the right, start for me, where are you? The fuck, where's this Brigitte?
Yonghan, save the team.
We charge. Okay, Shatter.
There's a Junkrat inside as well.
So I can do.
I'm pinned. I'm pinned.
What the fuck, I'm dead.
I killed the Junkrat though.
This is not the end of the world.
Okay,
Oh, you guys got it.
holy fuck.
Lucky the payload.
Under fire. This time, Reinhardt.
The Junkrat on the payload.
Oi, I thought there was one guy on the payload.
I died to the payload. I was on the payload, then the Junkrat killed me. He just bombed me. I stunned, then he just bombed me.
Play of the game.